Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video. My name's Stephanie.
And I'm Layla.
Layla's here. It's officially her winter break. I'm going to unbox a shipment from Colibri Charms. It's the new release for February. It's live on January 1st though, but it's Valentine's Day themed for February. And I have a code Stephanie10, and I will also post the link for the website if you don't mind using those. All right.
Are you going to tell them how much % you get off?
You get 10% off if you use my code Stephanie10.
Can't believe you missed that.
Thank you, Layla. I've been doing a lot of things kind of ahead of time, so a little out of practice, I guess.
This is adorable.
Yeah. Do you want to hold up each one of the charms?
Yeah.
So we got a beaded charm.
And there's a red heart. It's not that big. And then there's this gold bead and a clear heart. It's the biggest one, and then there's this little gold heart at the end. And the clasp is obviously gold.
Mary Kay probably put that one together.
And next there's this little what's it called?
It's it's the wave of the heartbeat. Yep. So it's a heartbeat.
It's gold with a gold clasp.
Okay, hold it a little further away. There you go.
And then next there's this big heart. It you can see through it. And there's also a gold clasp. I think there's a gold clasp for all of these.
That one's silver.
Yeah. And then there's this 2023 one.
So something for the new year.
Mhm. And it's a silver clasp. Probably the only one in here.
No, it's silver. Oh, no, it's not.
And then there's this little bag. It's black with a little gold bow and a tiny maybe glass.
Is it resin?
I think it's resin. It's probably meant to look like a diamond or something. And then there's this little rope effect, and it has a gold clasp. And then this one looks like it may be glass or something in there.
Some crystals.
Yeah. And the back is gold, and it has a gold clasp.
That'd be really pretty to pair with the red heart.
Yeah.
Put those two together.
That would be pretty. And then there's this gold silhouette of a heart. It's not a full heart. You can stick something through that. And it has a gold clasp. And then the best one, in my opinion.
I always like the beaded ones that she puts together.
Yeah. So we have a bunch of different beads. This one's black and white. This one's a pearl kind of, and it's pink. And there's this little clear bead. And then there's a red one. There's a black and white heart. And then I can't tell if that's silver. I think this little heart right here is a black.
It's kind of like that gunmetal color. Hold it by the clasps so we can see how it hangs.
Okay. That's how it hangs. And then there's also this swirly bead. It's really pretty.
Very nice. I like those a lot.
Yeah.
So, the release is called Twiterpated. Excuse my nails. I just got back from volunteering with animals. They got more chewed up than I thought. But she now has these long boxes for your sidebar. You can, cut it to size however long you need this one, or layer it. I layered it last time. and then some round boxes.
Yeah, and I absolutely love this one. Like all of the like words in it, the colors they are, like it's just complete randomness. I love it.
And if you can see the background, I got removable sticker paper. If you can see that through it, it's just, you won't see that when you put it on your page. Ooh.
And then
We got gold. We have some red foil. Maybe I can zoom this in a little bit.
I think it's a sample, but it
Yeah,
is
she
really
gives
pretty.
you a free gift. It says Twiterpated free gift.
I love the bird.
Yep, and the bird's cut out, so you can use the bird. I like to put a little hidden bird in my spreads. Ooh, and these are foiled washi strips. They're stickers, but it's like having a strip of washi tape. And it's kind of frosted.
And again, randomness. I love it.
So it's clear. That's really cool.
There aren't very many of her stickers that are clear, so that's a good bonus. I like that.
Well, they're a good amount. Like, these are clear. These are watercolor splotches.
Like
really
half
good
of
for
them
layering.
Like half of them are clear and like the other half aren't.
Well, you can also, at least in some of the stickers, you can ask if you prefer clear or paper. I tend to like the paper stickers like this because you don't have to white anything out to put them down. It's just a personal preference.
Yeah, like if you guys want clear, you can order it clear. It's totally your choice.
So this is a journal kit. So if you order this, you kind of get a little sample of lots of different things. All these stickers are really good for journaling on. I kind of like the tape that looks like it's bunched up and the ripped paper corners and some more strips.
I love this like bent up washi tape because whenever I use washi tape on my planner, it gets like all bunched up, which makes it look bad. But like if you have something that's supposed to look like that, it just like gives an extra feeling of like randomness and messiness.
These would be good for Memorial Day too.
Yeah, they would.
Although I think they're tulips, but they kind of look like poppies. We got the days of the week stickers too, which is cool. Some more washi strips. So those ones are clear and these ones I have on paper. And I always like the grid. Grid is in, you know, it's very popular right now. So she gives you some of the grid strips and I like how it has a gradient from one color to another.
A lot of her stickers are really pretty and like they give you an extra feel in your planner. I like it.
These are numbers, so you can, if you have an undated planner or if you just want to cover up the dates and make it stand out and look pretty, you can use these to cover your dates, the numbers.
I love the torn paper.
Torn paper stickers. And I got those on paper as well. And box stickers.
I love the random things in it.
It's nice that she has box stickers now because I don't have to go hunting for any stickers that match the kit. If I get these, I already have them, which is nice. Okay, so this is high fashion watercolor splotches. You're gonna like this theme, I think.
I probably will.
But
So is this just like,
it's kind of mixed in.
is this just like a little sneak peek of it?
Well, I think it's a past kit. I'd have to look and make sure. But see, there's some other stickers. It's just a little out of order. Some Twiterpated sayings. I kind of like having the quote stickers in clear. I don't know why. Just makes them easier for layering.
Yeah, like sometimes, like I would put like a colored background, like cut out a colored piece of paper and then glue it down, and then put these over it, so like you can use like, it can be like a colored background just behind the sticker.
Splotches. You put splotches behind them.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, so it says, be messy and complicated and afraid and show up anyway. Never dull your shine for anybody. Actually, I can. Love more, worry less. Love is like pie, natural, irrational, and very important. Jador. Love is the best thing I never planned. Anything's possible if you've got enough nerve. You call it madness, but I call it love. Loving heart is the truest wisdom. You are an original work of art. A girl should be two things: who and what she wants. Coco Chanel. Never give up on yourself. And then we have some brushstroke days of the week script stickers. So one thing I'm going to do this year is decorate at the top of my planner pages more, because if you were to look at my almost complete planner, well, it is complete pretty much, you'll notice that the middle of my planner is very thick because I don't decorate as much on the top and bottom. So putting something like this will really help with that. Then we have Twiterpated small images. Valentine's Day 2023. It's very pretty. And then we have Happy Planner quarter boxes.
Those are really cute. I like the little grid. It's like the strips that we saw earlier.
Yeah, and it's really nice that she has removable sticker paper, because then you can move stuff around and you're not stuck with where it is.
Yeah.
Twiterpated extra large images. Oh, I like this sticker. I need more of that.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Very pretty. Large images. Got Happy Valentine's. A bunch of hearts and a bunch of flowers. A little truck. It looks like a little toy.
It's adorable. Like, it looks like that thing that you can buy at Michael's when it's like fall time, and like it has a bunch of pumpkins in the back. Usually it's blue, but it gives off a super cute vibe.
Okay, then we have Twiterpated Happy Planner boxes. So these are the full-size boxes for classic Happy Planner. I use them in my big or my classic Happy Planner. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now I think all the rest of them are the high fashion. So this goes with these guys.
I'm going to love this. I already know I'm going to.
So we have the washi strips. And you can't see it, but these are, you got some thin ones and some thicker ones in there.
That's pretty useful.
And then these are pretty, I got two of them. These are pretty thin, so you can just use one of those. Then we got the date covers, quarter boxes, days of the week stickers.
They're like washed out in pastel, and I love it. Like, I love wash out things. Like, it gives like
it's very subtle.
Like, it gives like a messy and modern like type of feel. If you get what I mean.
I'm silly. All right, so we have full-size boxes. Very nice.
Oh my god.
And then we have high fashion small sayings. So let me get this a little closer. It says, be your own kind of spectacular, living my best life. It's Friday and I'm fabulous. Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. Hello, beautiful. Keep it sassy. That's you.
Yes, it is.
Why fit it in when you're born to stand? Why fit in when you're born to stand out? You do you. Chase your dreams in heels, of course. I never wear heels. They hurt my feet.
You wear them sometimes. Don't lie.
No.
Barely ever, though.
Believe in your inner Beyonce. Happy girls are the prettiest. The most important thing a woman wears is her confidence.
You wear heels like barely ever.
And then we have high fashion, small images.
I love this.
I like the dresses.
They're so cute.
This would be really good for New Year's too.
I want to take them. I want them. Oh my god. The lipstick.
High fashion, torn stickers, torn paper stickers. Very good for layering.
Oh my god.
I like the polka dots.
I like the lipstick and the stripes.
Then we have high fashion square boxes.
It's adorable. I like the purple dress.
Yeah, you're really into purple now.
Yeah, my whole room is purple.
Okay, so this is a journal kit again. So you have some washi strips and some splotches, some torn paper, and then some different icons, and the tape pieces. Another
Cute.
piece of crumpled paper. And then high fashion large images. You got some Louis Vuittons here. Be your own kind of spectacular. It's Friday and I'm fabulous. Give a girl the correct footwear and she can rule the world. And she believed she could, so she did. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. And we got these big guys.
I want them. The lipstick.
Maybe we should have Layla do a spread and share her spread.
Yeah.
High fashion, long and round boxes. Yep, I knew you were gonna like this one. Okay, so that is everything I got. Kind of spread it out here. And I do like to kind of show how you can attach these guys to a planner. Layla, you want to grab my...
This one?
No, one with a, yep.
I recognize the star charm from the last unboxing video. If you haven't seen that, you should probably go check that out. It's pretty cool.
So she has these, I forget exactly what they're called, but it's like a little chain to go around your disc so you can hang charms on it. Or I also like to sometimes hang them from the bottom.
So, like, we admire that charm, like the little bunny, because it looks like almost identical to Basil, like in a cartoon form.
Yep. She can't have my bunny. So I just have it on a paper clip, or if you get any of this packaging, see, this is one I already cut. You get packaging like this that comes on your planner. You can cut it down and punch a hole in it, and then you can clip charms to that little hole spot.
Yeah, that's.
And then you can clip this into your planner.
I never even thought about that. That's a good hack.
So, yep. Anyway, let's get all this stuff here. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget that these will be available on the Colibri Charms website, colibricharms.com. And you can use code Stephanie10 for 10% off of your order. So I'd really appreciate it if you use that, and it should help you out.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.